We have a little segment. It is called Undupable. And I'm going to ask you to name 5 things that cannot be duped, like irreplaceable. You can't find another one like this, all right?
Right.
And it can be anything, right? It can be anything that you feel like irreplaceable.
Okay, well, I love this because I just think this is
so beautiful.
Look.
Oh my gosh. Okay, if you can't see it, if you're not watching, you're listening.
It is so cute.
The
it's
most
a
gorgeous lipstick
in a little diamond case with a mirror inside. That is so
I need
cute.
to see it.
Because you know when you see sometimes in films people put on lipstick at the table or something. I mean, you don't want to be brushing your hair and doing your eyes and everything. Put on lipstick. And isn't that sweet? Right?
Oh my God, it's beautiful. It's
I know.
the most beautiful thing.
I love that. What a great Christmas gift.
Okay, this is one of them.
Yeah, I like that.
Okay, I'm going to time you though. You get a minute.
Oh,
so you got a head
okay,
start. You got a head start.
okay.
Okay. I know you're going to kill it though because you know what you like.
Yes.
Okay, so you're getting a head start, but that's okay. Okay, ready?
Well, I like that Devine's volumizer spray in the black bottle. Is it Devine's or Devine's?
It's Davines.
Oh, okay, that. I knew I didn't know the name. I like that.
happy to know it. I don't know why.
think that's really good because it's not sticky. Yeah, I like that. I like the cream perfection, the one that I talked about.
From The Way?
Yeah, from The Way. That's really, really good.
Okay.
I think that's great. I think I'm going to throw Dr. Simon Urian in here as well because I think, undupable. You can't replace him. No, absolutely. That's 3. That's 4. What else do I love? Let me think about. Oh, I'm really into the double wear foundation as well.
The Estee Lauder double
I like
wear.
that, and I also like Charlotte Tilbury's foundation. So
wait, with the one that's in like the plastic tube or
the bottle?
The bottle.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
But the double wear, I like that very much because I like that kind of very perfect finish.
Yeah, and it's iconic. It doesn't budge.
So I'm already up to 6.
I know. She's like, I did 6. I slicked. There's the timer.
Yeah.
So we got more bang for our buck with that one. Okay, I love that you love the double wear one because that one is really good.
Are you hitting